Hello, Ken here with Ultralight Camera Solutions, and today I'm going to do a video showing you our caged camera kits, tongue twister. This is part 3 in the underwater series of kit packages, the videos for those. So anyways, not long ago, maybe like a year ago, I started thinking it sure would be nice to have something a lot more stable than just 2 handles on a tray. Plus me, I always want to add stuff to the camera, so like lights, GoPro, all those things. So you start running out of real estate really quick. So this has been really helpful. So what I did was I stacked trays together with we have these handles that have no ball on the top of them, but they're 3/8. They're the ACH handle, but on the top they only have a 1/4-20 threaded hole going down into them, so they work really good for this purpose. And then we have them in a shorter style right here, or the longer style, as you can see. So what I did was I ended up putting the trays together and mounting it like this, and this has worked out really good. So this type of tray, you could use like a medium-sized camera in here. Actually, you can even get one of these larger mirrorless cameras inside this tray. This is our TRDM2 trays, the ACHXL quarter handles. It comes with a GoPro tripod mount and a couple BAHB balls mounted to it, and you can do tons of different things. The other ones that we have, this one works really good. This is our TR-SBLD. It works really good with Kraken housing. The Kraken housing does not have a vacuum port on the top like this Sea Life, so it's a little smaller in size in the height. So you can actually bolt this right to this, and you got a really nice stable platform. You can mount your lights and everything to it. It's also really nice when you're handing it to people, and you know what? It kind of cages it and keeps it protected as well. This tray here is one. It uses the same TR-SBLD trays, but it uses the taller handles. So like you could mount a Sea Life iPhone housing into this. You could use it for one of the larger mirrorless cameras, and this works really great too. And again, all these come with the balls, the GoPro tripod mount, and if you have a different kind of camera, a video camera like one of the Sea Life micro video cameras, you can take this off and you can bolt the camera right on top using the same bolt. So it works out good for everything. Anyways, I think these things will be a hit. I sure like them, and if you have any questions on what will they fit, what are the dimensions, anything, please feel free to give us a call. We're always here. We're happy to help, and we're here for you. So happy diving and have a great day.